Imagine the scene, it's the 1990s, and a 1958 Cadillac Series 62 convertible makes its way from Seattle to the far reaches of Norway. It was not a gleaming classic, but rather a neglected relic of American automotive history. Rust had eaten away at its frame, its original Dakota Red paint was peeling, and the interior was in tatters, with the vinyl upholstery rotting away. In the driver's door, Arild Kolnes, the man who would later restore this car, found an astonishing surprise: a colony of ants had made the door their home. The story of this classic Cadillac begins with a rough start, but what followed was nothing short of a miracle. Arild, who had a deep appreciation for vintage cars, took it upon himself to bring this Cadillac back to life. The car was barely drivable when he first purchased it, with the transmission not shifting and the engine completely non-functional. But rather than be discouraged, Arild embraced the challenge. He took the car apart, starting with the frame, and meticulously rebuilt it from scratch. After many years of work, the once neglected vehicle was transformed into a masterpiece, a gorgeous representation of 1950s American luxury and style. The transformation included a stunning new Laurentian green paint job, a shade that was once offered as an optional color back in the day. This new color gave the car a fresh, vibrant look, and with it, the Cadillac now radiates the elegance and sophistication of its time. The car's rare two-piece saber wheels, an option for the 1956 to 1958 model years, give it a classic touch that further elevates its beauty. One of the most impressive features of this Cadillac is its parade fiberglass boot, a rare option that was also standard equipment on the Eldorado. Another distinctive detail is the hidden fuel cap, which can only be accessed by lifting the left taillight, a design touch that reflects the innovative spirit of the era. The car also boasts the Autronic Eye, Cadillac's automatic headlight dimming system, which was considered a futuristic feature in the 1950s, reducing the intensity of headlights when approaching another car. Inside, the car's interior was completely reupholstered with a stylish white and green color combination, keeping the theme consistent with the exterior. The restoration team from Sweden helped Arild create the perfect interior to match the car's refined appearance. Power windows, power door locks, power brakes, and a power-operated convertible top are just some of the modern conveniences that were added, making the ride both luxurious and practical. Under the hood, the car hides a rebuilt 365 cubic inch V8 engine, capable of producing 345 horsepower. This engine gives the Cadillac an unmistakable growl, and with its 3 carburetor setup, it offers the kind of performance and drama you would expect from a classic American V8. The Cadillac now drives like it should, and Arild's careful restoration ensures that every time he takes it out, heads turn and people marvel at its beauty. The 1958 Cadillac Series 62 was originally sold for $5,454, a steep price back then, reflecting the car's luxury status. Now, after over 20 years since its restoration, this car is still turning heads across Europe. Arild has driven it through Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and southern France, and even took it to New Jersey and San Francisco in 2013. This Cadillac is more than just a car, it's a testament to the enduring appeal of classic American automobiles and the dedication required to restore them. This restored Cadillac Series 62 convertible is a rare gem, and its journey from a rusted relic to a stunning piece of automotive history is a story worth celebrating. For anyone with a passion for vintage cars or a love for the beauty of 1950s Americana, this Cadillac is a true treasure.